Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look at the Rescue Rope Style Premium Recovery Kit. This kit comes with everything you'll need to ensure that you can safely and successfully recover a stuck vehicle the next time you're spending a day off the pavement. Rescue also offers a strap style recovery kit. If you want to get more information on that, you can click the info button. One of the things I really like about this kit is just how complete it is. Rescue takes all of the guesswork out of buying individual pieces of recovery equipment, puts them in one easy to buy complete kit that even comes with this great backpack style bag to keep all of your gear organized and together so that you can easily find it in the back of your Jeep when you need it. This backpack style bag is also going to make it really easy to carry all of your gear up and down the trail if you're helping to assist with the recovery of another vehicle. We've got the backpack straps on the back there. We also have a heavy duty handle right up top to make it easy to grab that bag with all of your equipment right there in one place. We've got some heavy duty zippers. If we open this up, we've got some individual pockets inside of this bag here to help keep all of your gear organized. So you can see we've got some hook and loop flat pockets on the front, as well as a large zipper pocket down here on the bottom of that bag. One of the pieces of equipment that you're going to get in this rope style recovery kit from Rescue here is a 20,000 pound snatch block finished in Rescue's signature high visibility orange finish. Now this does include a greasable Zerk fitting there to help keep that bearing operating nice and smoothly. Of course, a snatch block is an invaluable piece of equipment. It's going to help you set up those complex line pulls with your winch, and it can even help to double the pulling power of your winch should you need it. This snatch block does come with its own nylon carrying pouch. It's going to keep that snatch block protected when it's not in use, help keep the noise level down, keep it from rattling around when it's packed away in the back of your Jeep. And that snatch block fits perfectly here in this large outer pocket on the bag. Now, another piece of equipment that you're going to get with the Rescue Rope Style Recovery Kit here is a great premium soft shackle. And one of the things I really love about using a soft shackle over a more traditional D-ring or bow style shackle is just how easy they are to use. Of course, most of the time you're completing a recovery, it's probably going to be in less than ideal conditions. Maybe you're in the mud, you're in the snow, you're in the rain, it's cold. Well, you're not going to have to fumble around with a shackle pin. You can simply open up that loop on the soft shackle, feed it back on itself, and that's all it takes to get your gear rigged up. Now, of course, with safety in mind, a soft shackle is something I would much rather be working with over a more traditional heavy D-ring or bow style shackle as well. As you can see, this shackle does come with this great nylon piece of sleeve here to help keep that shackle protected when you're hooking up your gear. Now, with safety in mind, of course, you're also going to get a heavy-duty vinyl winch line dampener. Every time you're completing any type of winching recovery, you want to make sure that you're using a winch line dampener. This one from Rescue features that same high visibility orange coating on there. We've got some reflective stripes sewn in place, and it's going to secure around your winch line with some hook and loop fasteners on the inside there. Of course, not only is it going to draw attention to that winch line during your recovery, but in the unlikely event that a piece of equipment in the system should fail, that dampener is going to help to absorb some of that energy. Of course, you want to keep your hands protected as well, and that's not just when you're using steel winch cable, but anytime you're hooking up any piece of recovery equipment or maybe crawling around underneath the Jeep looking for a place to attach that recovery equipment to, protecting your hands is important. So you're going to get a pair of heavy duty recovery gloves in this kit. On the back side here, you'll see we've got this great breathable nylon material. We've got these reinforced rubber pads here to help protect the back sides of your hands and your knuckles. On the palm side, we have a heavy duty leather material with reinforcement patches and even some additional padding there on the palms. We've got some additional grip provided on the thumb and forefinger, and even a touchscreen compatible pad there. It's going to allow you to use things like your touchscreen phone or maybe another piece of touchscreen equipment without having to first remove those gloves. You're also going to get an 8-foot tree strap with this kit. This is a 4-inch wide tree strap. It does come with an 8,000 pound working load limit and a minimum braking strength of 40,000 pounds. As you can see, we've got a great heavy duty neoprene sleeve on there protecting the stitching. We've got additional reinforcements on the looped ends, as well as those hook and loop cinch straps to help keep this strap nice and neat when you've got it packed away in the bag. Now, the final piece of equipment in the Rescue rope style recovery kit is just that, our 30,000 pound 30-foot long recovery rope. This rope is going to do a great job at recovering vehicles, whether they're stuck in the snow, the mud, the sand. As you can see, we've got these great large reinforced looped ends on here. That recovery rope is going to allow it to stretch and use that kinetic energy to help recover whatever vehicle is stuck. We've also got this great hook and loop strap included in there to help keep your rope nice and organized when you've got it stashed away in the bag with the rest of your recovery equipment. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Rescue rope style recovery kit to keep in the back of your Jeep so you'll always be ready for anything when you're spending a day out on the trails, you can click that info button to head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about any of the pieces of equipment I went over today, you can always leave them for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.